Hi, today I will show you how to connect Magene sensor to your handphone. First, we need to remove the plastic cover from the battery compartment. Here, we open this and you should see a transparent plastic cover. Remove it and put it back. There should be a blinking here. Red is for cadence mode and green is for speed mode. To change mode, simply remove this battery and then we put it back. The color is now changed and the mode is changed. Then let's look into the phone. Here is a Wahoo app. We click sensor and we click add new sensor. Pair a sensor and then take up the sensor and spin it. You see here he will show you. Then we click save sensor. Spin the sensor like you would in the bike, or you can put the sensor to the bike and spin it. It will detect the speed. Thank you.